SafeMoon Burency exchange out of Middle East in Dubai, one of the largest exchanges. SafeMoon just got on Burency. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Ask, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. My name is Syed, and we are going to talk about, the real price jump for SafeMoon, and more importantly, the Burency exchange, because I want to cover this. I've been meaning to do this for a little while, but I want to make sure that I do this right now, because this is one of the, I think, one of the most important exchanges that SafeMoon is on. Why? And we're going to take a look at this, because this is not only one of the largest exchange within the Middle East, but the actual Middle East market. Now, if you've been to the United Arab Emirates or Dubai or any of these other countries, you will definitely find a different mindset of individuals in that region, right? Unlike in the US, for example, or unlike the Europe, Middle East is just crazy. People have a lot of money, right? They have tons and tons of money, and they're looking for projects. And I know from experience that they are just diving into these new projects that have potential to gain massive returns, and because it's a business hub, right? Because apart from the US itself, right, like the Wall Street, for example, if you move out of the US and you end up in this part of the world where the Middle East is, for example, or Dubai, which is really the financial hub, right, for this region, apart from Hong Kong, Singapore, and other, if you're familiar with the world. But this is super exciting. So I want to talk about how SafeMoon is actually all-time high. It's going to make all-time high once it's on, or it is on the Burency exchange. So welcome back to Invest Ask. This is your #1 channel, guys. My name is Syed, and of course, if you don't know me, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have a degree in finance and a PhD, and we have multiple portfolios. And our portfolio right here at Invest Ask, we have Dogecoin, because that's the #1. That's our baby right here. Where is it? Right here. Yeah, that's my Shiba Inus. Say hello. And then we have, of course, SafeMoon, which we added about 3 weeks ago to our portfolio at Invest Ask. And then the third crypto asset that we added to our portfolio at Invest Ask is, of course, PROMISETOKEN, right? So I'm super excited about PROMISETOKEN also. And we'll talk about that, of course. We'll take a look at the price of the charts for all these three assets that we have in our portfolio. But today, SafeMoon is just all-time high, and this is just crazy. This is just absolutely crazy, but expected. Of course, all of our research that I do here for you guys right here at Invest Ask is for you, for Invest Ask as your #1 channel. So welcome back. Please subscribe and smash that like button. It's somewhere here, down here. Yeah. Thank you so much. And the bell notification, so you get notified every single time there is some news updates, right? So we're going to talk about Burency Exchange. I'm going to show you their website. We're going to go through some of the important details on their side, because I think it's just huge. People within this part of the world are just, like I said, they have tons and tons of money to invest, but they can't seem to find projects that are potentially high gains, that can provide high gains. And this is really the key. SafeMoon is absolutely the #1 project, right? In terms of growth, in terms of its use, in terms of utility, in terms of what the team is doing, building up their SafeMoon exchange, and of course their wallet and everything else in between, right? That's exactly what is happening with SafeMoon. So super excited. This is absolutely wonderful news for SafeMoon. And let me show you the price for SafeMoon. So let me switch to, there we go, perfect. So we're at, this is CoinMarketCap, but I want to show you the wallet here first. There we go. So the wallet for our SafeMoon token, or this particular portfolio here at Invest Ask, one of the wallets is about almost it's $234,000, right? That's really what it is. And our wallet, I'm just super humbled. It's just crazy. I mean, this is SafeMoon. This is SafeMoon, where people 3 weeks ago said, it's a rug pull. It's not going to happen. Well, it just, check it out, guys. This is real. So this is one of the wallets that we have at SafeMoon, which is definitely, it just lost a zero. Yeah, we just removed the zero, which is exciting. Yeah. So the price right now is 0.000010407. Now I'm also getting some messages like, for example, they're migrating their LPs from V1 to V2, so the price may come down, whatever it is. But hey, it's to us, this is the wallet, right? To me, that's the wallet. It doesn't matter. So this is one wallet with $234,000, and the other wallet is about $68,000 that we have. And this is super crazy. So over 300,000 just in SafeMoon. And this is just 3 weeks ago. It just got listed on Burency, which is the largest exchange within the Middle East. So it's Burency.io. All right. So if you're in that part of the world, definitely you want to get to Burency.io and check it out. And of course, you can click on buy token. You can create an account. It's straightforward. And then you can check the SafeMoon out. But the Burency platform is pretty cool because it's really an advocate for what they say here is the advocate for crypto and blockchain adoption, particularly in the Middle East. Now, the Middle East has many countries like Saudi is there, and there's Dubai, and then there's there are other countries also. So the platform is designed to address key challenges that prevent widespread adoption within the cryptocurrency and blockchain ecosystem, such as exchange lack of liquidity and security, unsustainable mining, unawareness of blockchain applications to businesses. So the good part about Burency Exchange, of course, it's regulated and fully insured cryptocurrency exchange. That's pretty cool. All right. So it's not only regulated, right, by the government, by the the UAE government, but also it's fully insured. So that's pretty cool, right? So it's huge. It's one of the largest exchange. Sustainable mining operation, and then blockchain research and development center also. So it also provides research into blockchain technology. So this is really key. So SafeMoon getting on Burency platform or this particular exchange is it is huge. So the fully insured part for the crypto exchange platform that address key challenges including security, liquidity, and then fiat to crypto transactions and vice versa, and much more. And that's pretty cool. And then, of course, they have mining facility and data center also, and then blockchain development center, like I mentioned earlier. And then here's the roadmap for the exchange. So we're somewhere in Q2 of 2021, and they are probably working on releasing the Burency credit card, right? That's where it is. The operation of the mining farm, the operation of the data center, and then investing in blockchain apps moving forward into next year. So this is super crazy, and that's how it is. Here's the chart for, of course, SafeMoon. It is at 0.00001030, and again, this could be the LP swap, the migration that the team SafeMoon mentioned, and hopefully probably come back to 8590. But we'll see. Right now it's at 10400. And that's the price for SafeMoon. Let me switch the chart to a line chart, and there we go. So, of course, SafeMoon has been steadily just rising up to the moon, and that's how it is. So this is SafeMoon, guys. I wanted to cover the Burency exchange quickly, and then let me see what else we have. We also have, of course, PROMISETOKEN. Yeah, we added this to our portfolio, right? And very new. The team is out of Japan because I did quite a bit of messages with the team, the marketing team, of course, and they are updating their CoinGecko. They're updating the CoinMarketCap data. Trust Wallet will also be updated. So I've asked all these questions because I know a lot of you have asked me questions about when is the wallet going to be updated and whatnot. So Thank you so much, UR7. Awesome, buddy. Thanks so much for your love and support for InvestAsk. because this is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency research, investing, daily news, updates, and forecasts. So thank you so much for your support in super chat, super stickers. I'm super humble, guys, and the channel growth has been phenomenal, and this is really the key when I try to bring the research to you guys so you can make informed decisions. All right, so Yo7 says, SafeMoon, can't wait to see more videos on Promise Token. Many thanks, InvestDesk #1. Thank you, Yo7. Thank you so much again for your support. Yes, I did a video, just a short video on what is Promise Token. So those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe and smash that like button while you're here. And yeah, definitely check out the video on what is Promise Token. You get to find out. And yeah, I'll be making more as new developments come into play for the new Promise Token. We've added this to our portfolio here, guys, and I'm super excited, of course. Looking forward to the end of the week because we crunch our numbers, we run the numbers in our portfolio. 3 assets right now. We have Dogecoin, we have Promise Token, and then we have SafeMoon. Well, Dogecoin, SafeMoon, and Promise Token, right? That's the order. But yeah, definitely thanks so much again for your support. All right, so let's see. Thank you all for tuning in. Appreciate it. So make sure you subscribe if you're new and smash that like button while you're here. That is super appreciated. Let's see. All right, so let me get back to where I was on, yeah, Promise Token. So this is PromiseToken.com. You can go check it out, and there's a link up here how to buy. They talk about how to buy on Trust Wallet. They also talk about how to buy on MetaMask. So either way, you can take a look. Awesome. Thanks so much. This is Jonathan Marino. What's up, buddy? Thanks so much. Awesome. Thank you for your love and support for InvestDesk. To the moon we go. To the moon we all go at InvestDesk. This is your #1 community. Awesome. Thanks so much. Appreciate your love and support. Thank you. One more time, Jonathan Marino. Thanks so much. All right. Lisa, it says hit the like button, guys. 221 of us watching and only 45 likes. Is that real, Lisa? I didn't even look. I don't even know. I'm just looking at the screen here. It says 225. But 45 likes. Geez, come on, guys. Smash that like button. I'm just kidding. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, we're talking about Promise Token. This is something really new. Of course, after we added SafeMoon last 3 weeks, this is Promise Token, and I'm super excited about it. All right, so yeah, I'm in touch with their team, their marketing team. I've yet to talk to the devs, but their marketing team is pretty solid. They're very responsive, and I've asked them questions about updating CoinMarketCap and whatnot, and they've been in the news, by the way. Recently, they've been press releasing quite a bit, even on Binance Wiki. They're on Yahoo, and then you see on the bottom here on their page. But definitely updates are certainly coming for Promise Token. Let's take a look at the chart where it's at. I've not seen. I know I got a message here that it's doing all right. I've not seen the chart yet, but I'm just going to see it with you guys here, right here. All right. So, oh, there it is. There's a chart for Promise Token. So it's not bad. It's not bad. So the price right now is 0.000. What is it? 6 zeros or something? Yeah, 1115. And the idea behind this particular token is the fact that we promise to hold it for 15 days. And if you hold it for 15 days, of course, you enter into the wall of fame or honor. And if you sell, then your name or your hash or your ID will be displayed on the wall of shame, right? So, and that's really the design. And I kind of like that part quite a bit, because that allows the entire community to grow as much as possible. Now, I was also looking at other YouTube videos and doing some research, and the entire crypto market, guys, this really is, I find it very close to being a community-owned crypto, right? Because what I mean by this is the more community behind a certain project, and of course the project needs to have some use case, some utility, something so that the community grows with it, right? So the more and more community members get together for a project, that really causes the price to grow. And it's really the community members, right? It's really us all together, kind of like taking all these assets or cryptos to the next level. Unlike stocks, for example, when you look at stock market, right? It's really the company's performance. For example, Tesla, IBM, Microsoft, Apple. Every quarter they release their earnings, for example, and that drives the price up. Or they break a certain news, or maybe a new product comes into the market, and that drives the price up for these companies. And that's the stock companies, right? That's the real companies. But crypto, like for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, SafeMoon, PROMISETOKEN, Cardano, and others, very few really has that kind of comparability with stocks. Therefore, crypto market is a different beast, and I've always said this all along. It's not the same. It's not stock. It's not stock market, guys. This is crypto. So with crypto, with that said, with that distinction made, it's really the community that drives these projects. So, for example, you're looking at PROMISETOKEN right here, right? Now, of course, InvestDesk is right now has these tokens. We bought them right here. I bought them. And of course, other people, it has almost 4,000 holders. That's a new token. But the way it's designed is kind of nice. So as this community grows from 4,000 holders to maybe 10,000 holders to 90,000 and so on, the more community members are behind this project, it's going to drive, of course, the price up. And many individuals, many of us are definitely going to benefit. And that's exactly true for SafeMoon. That's how it is. There you go. Bullish Kenny G, what's up, my man? Thank you so much for your love and support for InvestDesk. Showing your support for InvestDesk and Super Chat Super Stickers. Certainly appreciate that. And Bullish says, check out the Bonfire token, Syed. I have it on my list. I have all these tokens on my list, guys. Whatever you mentioned here in comments, and please do that. I definitely have it on the list, and I will cover them as I move forward, because there's just a huge list, and I get so many emails and messages. But definitely, yes, I have it on my list here. So thank you for your love and support for InvestDesk, and of course, I will definitely. I also already have this token on my list. I will cover this, and we'll see. We'll explore all these new tokens and whatever makes sense. After much research, of course, right? And yeah, that's crypto. Like I said, crypto is a crazy world, guys, and that's crypto, and it ought to be like this. It's not stock market. It's not one of those companies where you know exactly what the earnings are, and what the balance sheet is, what the financial statements are, what analysts are saying about this. This is crypto, right? Yeah, that's right. This is amazing. So, but thank you for your love and support for Super Chat Super Stickers. And yeah, we'll definitely take a look at that. So yeah, let's get back to what I was talking about, the crypto market, the community base, right? So for example, if the community is behind a certain project, and that really drives the entire project to the moon. And it's true for SafeMoon, like the Shiba token just went up, for example, or Bonfire, or any of these other coins, right? And on top of that, if all of these they have a certain use case on top of that. For example, SafeMoon is a perfect example, right? It has a use case. It has now a use case. I remember when the team SafeMoon, they were right at the beginning, and I was looking at their AMA meetings, and I was talking to them, right, kind of messaging them, their dev team, and asking them questions. They were like, well, we don't even know what SafeMoon is going to happen, what's it going to do. We're just kind of thinking about, right, of the use case, because it was just brand new for them. SafeMoon was launched early March, first week of March, which is only a couple of months, 3 months ago, right? So they had no idea, but right now it's 1.9 million holders, almost 2 million holders, and that's just crazy, absolutely. And that's really the key for driving the price up. It's the community. So SafeMoon has almost 2 million holders, which is crazy. Yep, that's how it is. All right, so I'm going to show you. This is, of course, Promise token. So if you have not checked out Promise, you can definitely do your own research first, of course, DYOR, because that is important. You want to be able to do that. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I just bring my research to the table so you can make informed decisions. And as the community grows behind a certain project, we hold promise, we hold true to our promise of holding the Promise token for 15 days. And of course, if all of the community members do this, it's just crazy outcome, right? Let me tell you guys, it's just crazy outcome. The longer you hold, the better it is. And crypto, in my personal experience, is the same. So we ought to be able to hold any crypto. It doesn't really matter whether it's XRP, whether it's Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. I know we bought Ethereum at, I don't know, it was 1,800 or something. And now it's over 4,000. That's one of my other portfolios, but not at InvestDesk, because everyone knows here that I have multiple portfolios. I also do day trade, stocks, mutual funds, and of course a lot of crypto. And I'm getting more and more into crypto. I'm kind of liking this stuff. This is crazy, but definitely still making calculated and decisions so that our portfolio is not all risky. There's certain diversification, and that's the best strategy to move forward. All right, so this is this is Promise token. Let's go back to our SafeMoon. SafeMoon right now is at what, 0.401040, and this is our wallet here. $233,000 in one wallet for SafeMoon, and about 68,000. So yeah, $300,000 in SafeMoon, guys, in less than 3 months. And we invested what? I think I invested what, $2,000 or $3,000 only. Yeah, it's like crazy returns for SafeMoon, guys. This is absolutely nuts. That's the word I was looking for, right? Yeah, definitely. But definitely with the Burency exchange, which is right here, the way they have, the way SafeMoon is growing, and their other exchanges, by the way, the team announced on last Sunday that they're working on and listing SafeMoon on 2 more exchanges moving forward. Now with these 2 new exchanges, we're definitely looking at SafeMoon going to the next level. And that's going to happen because new users are going to come in, more and more volume is going to be seen when it gets listed on 2 more. And those 2 new exchanges are going to be, of course, in the top 30, if I recall. Yeah, they're going to be in the top 30. And I think, check out my last stream. I did the analysis on what are these 2 exchanges are going to be. So we narrowed down to maybe Kraken, KuCoin, and Crypto.com, and some of the other ones. But this is going to be something huge moving forward. So SafeMoon already is at all-time high, did all-time high. I know whether it's LP1 migration or V1 to V2. But either way, guys, 2 more exchanges. SafeMoon definitely is going to, jump to the next level, which is get rid of the 0, which it seems like already it has. If not, it's already at 9.0 price, right? So it's pretty close to getting rid of 1.0 and then moving to the next level. The market cap for SafeMoon, which is also important. Let me bring that up and see if I'm able to go to their homepage and just open it up in the new tab. All right, so it's loading up. Yeah, right now the market cap is about 6 billion, which is not bad. So a 6 billion market cap, and this market cap is the correct market cap. If you see the market cap into like CoinMarketCap or other places, you may see a higher value, a higher number. So it may see a 10 billion market cap, but that includes the Burn wallet. So you want to make sure you exclude the Burn wallet and get to the real market cap, which is right here. And market cap, we know, is price, times the circulating supply, and that's the market cap. It's just the value of all the holders, right? The value of all the 1.9 million holders for SafeMoon, and that's what the value depicts right here. So $6 billion of market cap for SafeMoon, and the price is 0.000010374. All right, and this is super crazy. Now here's the important thing. Check it out. If this market cap goes from 6 billion, right, and 2 more exchanges are added, which they're going to be the top 30 on the list, right? SafeMoon is going to be on those exchanges in the next couple of weeks, not months, right? Just 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks, whatever it is. The team already announced that, right? They did not give the names, but they said 2 exchanges in the next 2 weeks, top 30. So if SafeMoon is on those exchanges and the trading becomes, right, the volume increases, and it will increase because each exchange has its own number of registered users, and that's how it is. And if that start to happen, the holder list is going to grow. So right now it's almost 2 million holders. All right, so yeah, it already has 2 million holders for SafeMoon, and with these 2 new exchanges, these number of holders are going to grow to maybe 2.5 million or 3 million, and depending on how the growth is right now, it's just exponential. All right, Rick Sanchez, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. First of all, nice to see you. Thanks. Always a pleasure having you here at InvestAsk. And of course, thank you so very much for your love and support for InvestAsk in Super Chat, Super Stickers. And Rick is asking, hey, Syed, what's up? What's up, my man? Quick one. BitMart still hasn't done the tokenomics. Could you ask the SafeMoon folks what's going on? Thanks to the moon. In fact, I asked that yesterday, and they said they are still working on it, and BitMart is a little slow, and this is directly coming from the CEO of SafeMoon. He said that he is directly in contact with BitMart folks, and they have promised to get this all straightened up. And with all the rest of the exchanges, John has said that he is talking to them so that it just takes 7 days for all these exchanges to get the redistribution back to you guys. So there you go. There's the update you were looking for. But thank you so much for your support for InvestAsk, because this is your #1 channel for crypto research, daily news updates, and forecasts. Certainly appreciate it. All right. So yeah, Thomas says I'm trying hard to load up my SafeMoon. We'll see what happens. Definitely with this, even with this price at 4 zeros, 10298 or whatever the price of SafeMoon is, there's still a lot of potential. And I see the potential not so much in the price, but actually the market cap, right? For example, just as an example, Dogecoin has a market cap. We went all the way up to $85 billion when Dogecoin was at 75 cents, right? Right now, Doge is at, let's say, 50 cents or so on average. Its market cap is about 40 billion, 50 billion. If SafeMoon market cap, check this out, guys. If SafeMoon market cap goes from 6 billion to, say, 12 billion, guess what? Yeah, you know where I'm going with this, right? So the price, of course, will change, because we know the way market cap is calculated is the price times the supply, or the circulating supply. That's the formula. So just do the math if you want to do it sometime, whenever you want, right? But that's the deal. So if this number changes from 6 billion to, let's say, 12 billion, which it will, because this number was just 3 billion, a few days ago, 5 or 6 days ago. So if this changes from 6 billion to 12 or 20 billion for SafeMoon, yeah, we're going to get rid of a couple of zeros, guys, at least a zero. It could happen, right? And with these new exchanges, which are in the top 30, is just going to be crazy. All right, Pap Giorgio, what's up, buddy? Nice to see you again. Hey, Syed, how's your Trust wallet? Ever been working? Coin appearing and disappearing? It seems to be working fine. Yeah, there's some lag and refreshing sometimes when I try to refresh the Trust wallet. But overall, it's been pretty all right. It's been pretty all right. But yeah, lately it's been just quite up and down, because the value I see is something else, and then all of a sudden it just jumps up, right? If that's what you're asking, yeah, that is happening with Trust Wallet lately. And I think this is probably due to they want to make sure that they're updating, SafeMoon tokens and, of course, other crypto assets that you have in your Trust Wallet. But yeah, that's really how it is. But this is SafeMoon, guys. We just lost is 0, which is super, super cool, super happy. The price went up all the way to 0.40. So we're at 4 zeros, right? And we want to be able to get to what? Yeah, maybe a penny. Thank you so much. This is Twest619. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so very much. And it's always nice to see you guys. I know most of you guys are with InvestDesk since day one, right? So I certainly appreciate that, your love and support for InvestDesk. And Twest is saying, just showing my appreciation for your channel. I'm up big on SafeMoon. Thanks, Syed. Well, it is your channel, guys. InvestDesk is your #1 channel for crypto research, investing, daily news updates and forecasts. And my goal is to bring you that research right here at InvestDesk. And that's exactly what I've been bringing. And we've been growing exponentially. And I just love you guys. This is an awesome, awesome community. And it's just awesome to see you grow. And that's really, so thank you so much for your love and support in Super Chat, Super Stickers, Twest619, that is absolutely wonderful. And those of you who are just joining, appreciate if you subscribe and smash that like button. That would be super, super helpful and much appreciated. All right. So this is our wallets again for $230,000 for SafeMoon in one of the wallets I have, and then the other ones is, of course, $67,000. So not bad. Over 300,000 in the last 2 months. That's crazy. All right. So Pap Giorgio, thanks so much, buddy. Thank you one more time. And Pap Giorgio says in Super Chat, and thank you for your love and support, showing your support for InvestDesk. Thanks for your promise recommendation. Keep those coming, guys. Keep those super chats coming. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. So Pap Giorgio saying thank you for Promise Token recommendation. I have some, and my sons do as well. Like I said, do your own research, guys. I did it, and we bought Promise Token. It's doing pretty well, right? It's doing fairly well. And hopefully, if we continue to abide by the design of the token, which is hold the token for at least 15 days. And I know most of us here are just long-term hodlers anyways, right? And that's really, you know me, for the last at least 3 months, 2.5, 3 months, we're into Dogecoin, SafeMoon, and pretty much have been holding, right? And that's really the key for crypto. The entire crypto market is exploding, right? And I mentioned that, I covered that in the last, I think, couple of streams ago. So check that out. The crypto industry market today, right now, is over $2.5 trillion. And the graph is just like crazy. It's just going exponential. Banks have started to accept Bitcoin as cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Not only that, banking system or the banks, they are within their mobile apps. If you have, if you're at Wells Fargo or any other banks that you do, you're going to have a new tab that's going to say crypto. And that's going to have Bitcoin. It's going to have Ethereum. That's going to have maybe Dogecoin, SafeMoon, and that's how the industry is evolving. Because banks, financial institutions have finally recognized that without crypto, fiat currency is going to be in big trouble, right? So what they've done is they've integrated crypto already. It's just a matter of time where we see it in mainstream. So hold on to whatever you have, because that's really is going to be exploding even further in the next quarter, maybe early. The way it is just crazy. Like I said, remember, Dogecoin or the Tesla news a couple of days ago. Check out my stream on that, where Elon Musk asked a poll on Twitter whether Tesla should accept Dogecoin, and guess what? Everyone said, yeah, of course, why not, right? And that's the deal. And Dogecoin as a cryptocurrency in Tesla stores is just phenomenal. PayPal already is doing Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can transact in Bitcoin, Ethereum using PayPal. And of course, we're still looking at eBay, we're looking at Amazon, we're looking at Walmart, and there's so many enterprise organizations, guys. Every company is definitely going to have crypto coming in one form or the other, right? So that's the tip of the day for you guys. All right, so Rick Sanchez, thank you, buddy. Thank you so much for your super sticker. I just saw that. Thank you for your love and support for InvestDesk as your #1 channel. Yeah, super chat. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. It makes me really humbled, and of course, the more I research, whether it's a new token such as PROMISETOKEN, which is right here. This is something that we just added a few days ago here at InvestDesk. So definitely, you also want to do your own research. Make sure it's something that you feel comfortable with. And like I always say, crypto is a crazy world. And always remember the #1 rule, guys: only invest of what you're willing to lose. I know it's hard, because once you invest, you want to see boom to the moon, right? But it happens. But if it doesn't happen, make sure we're okay with that, right? So that's the idea. And of course, this is no financial advice. This is what I do, and I just bring my own experience, knowledge to the table so you can make informed decisions. But this is PROMISETOKEN for us, and PROMISETOKEN price is about 6 zeros or whatever it is, 1381. Still really low in one form, because there are many zeros, and the way it's progressing with their trading volume and the market cap, it's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. All right, thanks so much. This is V Law. Thank you so much, buddy, for your love and support for InvestDesk as your #1 channel for crypto research. And V Law says, new to the channel. First off, everyone welcomes. I personally welcome you at InvestDesk, and all of us also welcome you to InvestDesk as your #1 channel. Thank you for being here. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button while you're here. And he asks, Avilo is asking, what do you think about Operation Phoenix? What are your thoughts? Check out my streams. I've given my thoughts, but just for you, I'm going to say it again. Operation Phoenix is really what SafeMoon wants to develop is, and these are just my thoughts, by the way. This is not SafeMoon. This is just what my analysis regarding Operation Phoenix is. It is the banking for the unbanked. And I showed a World Bank report where there are more than 1.5 billion people on Earth that do not have access to any kind of financial institution, right? So they can't go to the bank, they cannot open a bank account. So these individuals, they need some kind of a platform, right, an exchange where they can buy and sell or transact. So in my humble opinion, that's what SafeMoon is actually working on in the Operation Phoenix. They are going to reach out to these 1.5 billion plus people on this planet and give them access so that they can use SafeMoon exchange, possibly, or a product where they can, withdraw and deposit money. And SafeMoon is a cryptocurrency for the people, by the people. That's what, they ran this campaign, I think last week or a couple of weeks ago, where they had billboards all across the US. And that's really what Operation Phoenix should be all about. And that's going to be huge. And SafeMoon has positioned itself very, very strategically, right? If you think about it, SafeMoon is registered as a registered company out of Provo, Utah, right, in US here. But they also have an office now in England, right, in UK. They have have presence in Africa. They have presence in Europe. They have presence in the Middle East now. In China, they're already in 3 exchanges, Chinese exchanges. So, and that's really how SafeMoon is strategically placing itself before it jumps into Project Phoenix. So there you go, my 2 cents on Project Phoenix. We'll see how it pans out and what they're looking for. But that's really what it is. So I hope this helps, and thank you again for being on InvestDesk. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. Appreciate that. All right, so Odinga says, what is the difference between token and where did it go? Oh, there it is. what is the, well, cryptocurrency is just, could be any currency, right? It could be any currency. So if you're asking the difference between token and coin, that is something different, right? So token versus coin, for example, if you're looking at coins, they have their own blockchain network, like Bitcoin. It's on its own blockchain, but tokens are built upon a blockchain, right? For example, SafeMoon is on the Binance blockchain, right? It's on the BSC. That's why we need BNB for SafeMoon. Similarly, if you're looking at Bitcoin as itself, it's on its own blockchain. Ethereum, right, likewise, is on own blockchain, and that's really the key difference between crypto coin versus token, right? Kind of makes sense in just simple terms. I hope it does. But thank you for the question, and definitely this helps. All right, so let's see. We're looking at SafeMoon, of course. Check SafeMoon is still at 0.000040 zeros, right? And we're just looking at these zeros, guys. That's super crazy for SafeMoon. 4 zeros, 10256, awesome. One portfolio still over 230,000. The other portfolio 67,000. Overall, over $300,000 in just 3 weeks, 4 weeks, not even 4 weeks. It's just 3 weeks when we got into SafeMoon, just like we just got into PROMISETOKEN, guys. Just like right here, PROMISETOKEN. We just got into it 2 days ago. So 3 weeks from now, boom, we're gonna see some crazy updates for PROMISETOKEN to the moon, right? That's exactly what we want it to be. So let's check out the 1 minute chart for PROMISETOKEN here. And it seems like it's pretty good, right? So right now it's sort of like consolidating at this price, and hopefully it still would do, because the idea behind PROMISETOKEN is to hold it for 15 days, and that's a promise we want to keep. So as the team behind PROMISETOKEN develops their website, the Wall of Honor, the Wall of Shame, and all these new updates that they're working on very fast and very diligently. So, and of course, I'm constantly being updated by the team, and of course, I'm also asking questions to the team as well. So we'll see some exciting project PROMISETOKEN that we see here moving forward. And with SafeMoon, we already know, and of course, Dogecoin is still our baby here. And let's see if I can go to CoinMarketCap, and let's see where Dogecoin is. It's still at number 4 on CoinMarketCap ranking with a market cap of $60 billion. Yeah, that's super cool. All right, that's crazy, and that's exactly what it is. Still at a low 46 cents, which is not bad. So definitely a dip, and we know what to do at dips, right? That's what I do. Always buy the dips, right? That's what my personal strategy is always helps. Because the all-time high for Dogecoin is 75 cents, 74, somewhere around there, right? And hopefully it will bounce back up. But with all these new developments for Dogecoin, I know Dogecoin developers are working on the Rosetta API for Coinbase listing. Tesla, is certainly looking into Dogecoin as the cryptocurrency that they want to offer to their customers, and Elon Musk already tweeted that. So all these 3 assets that we have here at InvestAsk are certainly promising, and so far we've been doing pretty good with them, right? We're just doing excellent with these all crypto. So if I combine all the portfolios right now, I think it's a little over $400,000. Should be, and if it maintains the same price when we run our weekly analysis, it'll be just we'll be killing it, guys. This is just crazy. You never know, it'll be over $500,000. I mean, it's just crazy, mind-boggling to me the way things move in the crypto world, right? It's just crazy. But yeah, this is Dogecoin, and right now it's at 46 cents, which is definitely low where it was, but to us it's still high because I think we got in at what was it, 4.5 cents or 5 cents, something like that, right? Something like that, way early. This was 2.5 months. So every single day I've been streaming about Dogecoin, and then we started with SafeMoon, and then now PROMISETOKEN. So super cool to see our portfolio grows. Now I don't typically like jump into all these new tokens. I definitely take my time to do some research, to put some thought into it, try to contact the team behind these projects, and that's to me that's the key, right? Because that's really what drives the project. Now, whether the project becomes successful or not, that's all right, because there are many times when you lose also, and that's perfectly, that's part of the game. That's part of the that's part of life, and that's how it is. But as long as you're doing some good research, and you're doing pretty all right, you're making some calculated decisions, you're diversifying your risk, you're following the strategies that have been there, you do pretty all right. All right. So that's what I have. So Burency exchange for SafeMoon is pretty cool. I think that's going to be huge moving forward, because within the United Arab Emirates, or where Dubai is, this is just crazy. This is the largest exchange there, and people have tons and tons of money in that part of the world, and that's exactly what they want to be able to do, is take and invest in these projects. And SafeMoon, of course, the number one viral crypto on earth. It's still number one. I think it's just super crazy. The team behind SafeMoon is certainly solid. They have some exciting updates coming for SafeMoon Wallet, for SafeMoon Exchange, the NFT space, the Minecraft servers, all these things that this team is working on. And I think these guys are delivering more than what they're promising, and faster than their roadmap. So if you go to their site and kind of check out their roadmap, I think they're going beyond what they've initially said. So that shows the commitment of the SafeMoon team behind the project. All right, so that's all I had. So it's definitely all-time high for SafeMoon, and that was super cool, super crazy. Both our wallets are getting fatter and fatter, right? We like that, don't we? So, all right, I'm just kidding. But super humbled, of course, to see the projects go to the next level, right? So 2 new exchanges coming up. Still make informed decisions, guys. 2 new exchanges for SafeMoon this week, top 30. So what I'm looking for here is, of course, getting rid of at least another 0 in the next week or 2 or 3 weeks, right? Because the way it's moving is just phenomenal. It's just phenomenal. The market cap is pretty cool, because the market cap is 6 billion, 5.9 to 6 billion. Almost the holders need to get updated, because I think it's 1.9 million holders. If you look at the token tracker on the BSC chain, you'll see that the almost 2 million holders for SafeMoon. It's just crazy, absolutely crazy. All right, so Twitter, by the way, I'm on Twitter. If you want to go check out Twitter, my Twitter handle is @invest_desk. Check it out and click on the follow, because you will get some latest updates and tweets from me, right? Some crazy stuff. All right, so this is SafeMoon. Let's see what else is on. I want to check quick on the latest stuff happening at Twitter. All right, let's click on profile. There we go. Awesome. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you, Rick Sanchez. You're the man. Thank you so much for your love and support for InvestDesk. To the moon. We go together. In super chat, super stickers. Certainly appreciate that. All right, let me get some comments. I want to check some comments. See what's going on. See what everyone is talking about here. SafeMoon to the moon, you bet, 2x, 5x, SafeMoon by the people, for the people. And like I said, this is great insight, because this is about crypto money, because it's really the community that drives these projects, right? The support. Of course, SafeMoon team is doing their things. They're creating the exchange. They already collected $1 million for the SafeMoon exchange project, and it's done. They have the money. They're working on it. And they're working as fast as possible. That's pretty cool. But 1.9 million holders, or 2 million holders behind SafeMoon, is the real force, guys. With every project, for example, with PROMISETOKEN, right now PROMISETOKEN has 400,000, or not 400,000, 4,000, right? Let me in fact find out. So I'm going to see token tracker, promise token. See if I can find out right here for you guys. There we go. So if I go to the BSC scan for promise token, it's right here is holders is 4,787. So not a whole lot. And this, by the way, check it out. Just 2 days ago, or 2 days ago, these addresses were only 2,000, 2,500 or something like that. So it doubled in 2 days. So promise token holders are just doubling. So almost 5,000 addresses, right? 5,000 holders. And keep this in mind. When I stream tomorrow, or maybe a couple of days or 3 days from now, you will see this number increase, right? Just like it was for SafeMoon. When we got into SafeMoon, I think the holders were, I don't remember. I think they were like 20,000, 30,000, or somewhere around there when InvestDesk got into SafeMoon, right? This was 3 weeks ago. So in 3 weeks or 4 weeks, it's just 2 million holders. So if the project is sustainable, if the community is behind a certain project, this number will just skyrocket. And if this skyrockets, definitely the projects go skyrocketing. And then it's up to the team behind the project to deliver on what they have promised as per their roadmap. So I've covered the promise token roadmap in the stream. Please check that out. And I just put up a video on what is promise token. So if you're new, if you want to find out more information, go check out the video. Just a short video I posted. But right now the addresses are 4787. And if I refresh this page, it is going to increase to 87. So depending on how fast and exponential growth there is. So this is, of course, promise token at 6 or 7 or whatever it is, 1370 is the price. And of course for SafeMoon, we're still at 4010, which is not too bad. As long as we stay with 4 zeros and continue the growth, that'll be super, super exciting. It is on Burency exchange, all-time high. It's going to be with 2 more exchanges coming up for SafeMoon. Definitely it is still flying to the moon, and that's what we see here. All right, let's go back to a quick Twitter here, checking out. And this is Promise, by the way. They retweeted InvestDesk, so thank you, Promise team, for doing that, because thank you for supporting InvestDesk as your #1 channel, and I'm super thankful, but that's how it is. We love whatever we have here in our portfolio. The 3 assets that we added: Dogecoin, SafeMoon, and Promise. And yeah, there are more coming too. I have many others that I like to get into, but I'm still researching and seeing where we are. I know I also covered Safe Mars and Safe Star, but I'll see how that pans out. I think we might end up looking into those 2 cryptos more as we move forward, but we don't know yet. I will let you guys know soon as I get into that. But there's Burency right here one more time at SafeMoon, now on Burency exchange, right out of Middle East, right out of Dubai, largest exchange right there, and that's super, super cool. And this is the video that I just posted this morning, or last night or something like that, last time. What is Promise token on Bloomberg Business News? Go check it out. If you want to find out more info, please do so. Certainly appreciate that. And yeah, and this is our Promise token, definitely. So this is all I have for today. And yeah, today is what? Wednesday afternoon. Super, super cool, super exciting. Definitely, let me get some comments here, see what's going on. Thank you so much for being here, every one of you guys. InvestDesk is, of course, your #1 channel. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button before you go. That would be super, super helpful, and I certainly appreciate that. And certainly looking forward to the weekend. I have some exciting news, some more research that I've done, but I'll share that in the next stream. So make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and of course the bell notification, because that's how you get notified every time we're on streaming live, because I'm streaming every day for you guys. And InvestDesk is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates, and forecast, guys. Thanks so much for being here. Certainly appreciate it. Let me know in comments if there's certain other tokens. I know I'm getting a list. I'm maintaining a list for all these new tokens. And of course, as we grow together. So Invest Desk is your number one channel. My name is Syed, and I will see you guys next time. Have yourself a wonderful afternoon if you're in the US or wherever you are, morning, evening. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time.